In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in LinkedIn. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this efficiently in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to head over to LinkedIn. Open your web browser and type in linkedin.com, which will take you straight to LinkedIn's homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You have a few options here. You can sign in using Google, Microsoft, or simply enter your email address along with your password. These options offer a bit of flexibility, depending on your preference or what you're currently signed into. Now, if you've enabled two-factor authentication, which many of us do for added security, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. Typically, they'll send a code to your phone number which you'll then enter to proceed. It's a quick process and ensures your account remains secure. Once you've successfully logged in, look to the upper right corner of your LinkedIn page where you'll see your avatar picture. Click on this avatar, as it's your gateway to creating new content. From there, navigate to your LinkedIn feed. Here you'll see an option to start a post. Click on this to begin composing your new post. Now you're ready to write. Type out your text and share your thoughts. This is a great opportunity to be creative, express your opinions, or provide information relevant to your network. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. The goal is to get your ideas down. Next, you'll need to identify the website, article, or page you'd like to link to. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to that page. Once you're there, simply copy the URL from the address bar. This URL is what you'll use to create the hyperlink in your LinkedIn post. Head back over to LinkedIn and paste the copied URL directly into the body of your post. LinkedIn's platform is designed to recognize URLs easily. As soon as you paste it, LinkedIn converts it into a clickable hyperlink. This convenience means you don't have to do anything extra, as LinkedIn manages the heavy lifting for you by making your link interactive. Once you're satisfied with your post, take a moment to look over your content one last time to ensure everything appears just as you want it. When you're ready, go ahead and click the post button. This action will share your composed post with your network, and there you have it. Your LinkedIn post, complete with a hyperlink, is now live and ready for your connections to click through to the content you're sharing. Feel free to try this process out multiple times as you get more comfortable, and soon enough, you'll be an expert at crafting LinkedIn posts with hyperlinks.